Hey, what is going on, guys? It is that Mustang kit. We got another upgrade that we had for a long time, but we're finally at the part where we can do it. So the upgrade we are going to be doing to kit is the short tube header. Let me cut myself off right there. Let's do a quick unboxing of the short tube headers from BBK. They are so nice. Let's see them. All right, guys, let's pretend that the tape is still here. What? Dude, this is gonna sound sick. These are the BBK short tube headers, bolt right up to your factory mid pipe. It's not gonna stay a factory mid pipe forever. We are adding high flow cats and dual exhaust out the back. When I get my money right, I'll be adding a actual H pipe for the mid pipe. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and slap these on so that way we can tune the car with all my upgrades I have on so full, so everything works together and I make maximum power as it is. So that's one. This is two, and it does come with the bolts and gasket. This is gonna be super sweet. I can't wait. Let's get on with the rest of the video. So I ordered everything I needed. So the plan is basically the entire exhaust system from the headers back is coming out of this car. We're gonna install X pipe, high flow cats, and dual pipes because the rear bumper we put on has two exhaust outlets, so we need two exhausts going out the back. I'm super excited for this. We hit 177 subs today. I'm so excited. So before the parts come tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and add whatever penetrating fluid I have on the bolts, so that way it has a premature day to set and maybe help our situation. So let's go ahead and get to it. And also, the penetrating fluid I ordered is called Kroll Oil. Heard very good things about that penetrating fluid to help remove stuck, completely seized bolts. So we ordered that, but for now we're gonna go ahead and try +5 multi-purpose cleaner lubricant. Stops rust and corrosion, lubricates and penetrates. I don't know about this product, but it's better to put something on the day before we do this.
There we go, that's one, that's two, that's three, that's four, that's five. I missed the bottom one for this. 6. Let's do the passenger side. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's really dumb to get to. 5, and then the bottom one.
Perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and let that sit for like a day or two. Then we'll add on the Kroll oil, and then these should break right out with a breaker bar. Then we go ahead, move the mid pipe, slide that out of the way. So we're gonna be reusing the same mid pipe. We're just gonna install high flow cats until I have the money to get actual mid pipes with an H pipe. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Let's get it. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Stay tuned for tomorrow. The socket, swivel joint, and breaker bar should be here tomorrow. Unfortunately, the Kroll oil will be here in 2 days, so that's not a big deal. We can still try with the breaker bar without the Kroll oil, but if I find it's not coming out, we're gonna wait for the Kroll oil because I don't want to snap a bolt, have to do that whole stressing thing again. So yeah, guys, the car's gonna sound amazing. After that, we're gonna save up some money, get the Shelby hood and a beautiful black paint job, and I have finally built my dream car. It only took me 2 years. I love you guys so much. We hit 177 subs. Run it up, you guys. You guys are awesome. Kit loves you. I love you. Stay tuned. This car's gonna sound so amazing. Let's get it.